This is a brand new 2012 Ford Expedition. It features a 5.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, power adjustable driver pedals, a low tire pressure indicator, Sirius satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, a leather interior, a trailer hitch receiver, a 4-wheel independent suspension, running boards, dusk sensing headlights, front and rear reading lights, and fog lamps. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Champion Ford Katy is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your new vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 20777 Interstate 10 West in Katy.